Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. The holidays are supposed to be a time for joy, but for our furry friends, it can be a real whirlwind of confusion and anxiety. Think about it. New people coming and going, loud noises, decorations all over the place. It's enough to make even the calmest dog feel a little on edge. But don't worry, we're going to talk about how to keep your dog calm and happy throughout the holidays. We all know dogs thrive on routine, right? It's something that gives them a sense of predictability in their day-to-day lives. Just like us, dogs feel more comfortable and secure when they know what to expect. Routine provides them with a sense of security and stability. When they know when they'll be fed, walked, and played with, it helps them feel safe and cared for. This is especially important for dogs that might be more anxious or sensitive to changes in their environment. Well, that doesn't change just because it's the holidays. In fact, the holidays can be a particularly stressful time for our furry friends. With all the hustle and bustle, new people coming and going, and changes in the household, it's easy for a dog to feel overwhelmed. In fact, it becomes even more important during these times of upheaval. The consistency of a routine can be a comforting anchor for your dog amidst the chaos. When everything else is changing, their routine can be the one thing that remains constant. Keep those feeding times consistent, even if you're busy with guests or running errands. Your dog relies on these regular meal times, and skipping or delaying them can cause unnecessary stress. Make sure to set aside time to feed your dog at the usual times, no matter how hectic your schedule gets. Those walks? Keep them regular. Walks are not just about exercise, they're also a time for your dog to explore, sniff around, and engage with their environment. Regular walks help to burn off energy and keep your dog mentally stimulated. Even if it's just a short walk around the block, it's important to maintain this part of their routine. And don't forget about playtime. That's crucial for burning off nervous energy. Playtime is a great way for your dog to release pent-up energy and have some fun. Whether it's a game of fetch, tug of war, or simply playing with their favorite toys, make sure to incorporate playtime into their daily routine. Remember, a tired dog is a happy dog, and a happy dog is less likely to get stressed out. After a day of regular meals, walks, and playtime, your dog will be more likely to rest peacefully. This not only helps them feel better, but also makes for a more harmonious household. So stick to the routine, and you'll both enjoy a happier, more relaxed holiday season. Now imagine you're in a crowded room full of strangers, music blaring, everyone talking at once. Overwhelming, right? The noise, the unfamiliar faces, the constant movement, it can all be too much to handle. This is exactly how your dog feels during the holidays or any busy event at home. The hustle and bustle that we often enjoy can be a source of significant stress for our furry friends. That's what the holidays can feel like for your dog. The constant influx of guests, the loud conversations, and the unfamiliar scents can make them feel anxious and overwhelmed. While we might be celebrating and enjoying the company, our dogs might be feeling the exact opposite. They don't understand the sudden change in their environment and routine, which can lead to stress and anxiety. So give them a break from the chaos. It's important to recognize when your dog needs some time away from the commotion. Just like us, they need a space where they can feel safe and secure. By providing them with a quiet area, you're helping them manage their stress and anxiety. This small gesture can make a huge difference in their overall well-being. Create a quiet, cozy den just for them. Maybe it's their crate. A crate can be a wonderful sanctuary for your dog. It's a space that they can call their own, where they can retreat whenever they feel overwhelmed. Make sure the crate is comfortable, with soft bedding and maybe even a favorite toy. This will help them associate the crate with positive experiences and relaxation. Or a corner of your bedroom. If your dog isn't a fan of crates, consider setting up a quiet corner in your bedroom. This can be a place where they can escape the noise and activity of the rest of the house. Add some cozy blankets and their favorite toys to make it a welcoming space. Your bedroom is often a quieter part of the house, making it an ideal spot for your dog to relax, or even a comfy dog bed in a less trafficked room. Sometimes, all your dog needs is a comfortable bed in a quiet room. This can be a spare bedroom, a home office, or any other room that doesn't see a lot of foot traffic. The key is to find a spot where your dog can feel safe and undisturbed. A soft, comfy bed can make this space even more inviting for them. Make sure it's a place where they can retreat and de-stress. It's important that this space is always available to them, especially during times of high activity in the house. Your dog should know that they can go to this spot whenever they need a break. This will help them feel more secure and less anxious during busy times. You can even put a blanket over the crate to create a den-like atmosphere. This can make the space feel even more secure and cozy for your dog. The blanket can help muffle some of the noise from the rest of the house, creating a more peaceful environment. This simple addition can make a big difference in helping your dog feel safe and relaxed. By taking these steps, you're not only helping your dog manage their stress, but you're also showing them that you understand their needs. Creating a safe haven for your dog is a wonderful way to show your love and care. It's a small effort that can have a big impact on their happiness and well-being. So the next time your house is bustling with activity, remember to give your dog a quiet space to retreat to. They'll thank you for it in their own special way. Listen, we all love introducing our furry family members to our human ones, but during the holidays, it's important to do this gradually. Too many new people at once can be overwhelming for your dog. Instead of a big greeting at the door, have people ignore your dog when they first arrive. Let your dog approach them at their own pace. Once they're comfortable, then you can encourage some gentle interaction. Remember, it's all about building trust and confidence. Chapter 4. Party animals, not always. Look, I get it. The holidays are a time for celebration, but not all dogs are cut out for parties. While some dogs might thrive in a bustling environment, others can find it incredibly stressful. The loud noises, unfamiliar faces, and general chaos can be overwhelming for our furry friends. It's important to recognize the signs of anxiety in your dog, such as pacing, panting, or hiding. These behaviors indicate that your dog is not enjoying the party as much as you are. If you're hosting a big gathering, consider giving your dog a break from the festivities. Create a safe haven for them in a quiet room away from the noise. This space should be filled with their favorite toys, a comfortable bed, and maybe even a piece of your clothing to provide a sense of security. It's also a good idea to check on them periodically to ensure they're doing okay. Remember, your dog trusts you to keep them safe and comfortable. Let them stay in their safe space with some calming music or a long-lasting chew toy. Calming music can help drown out the noise from the party and create a soothing environment. There are even playlists specifically designed for dogs that you can find online. A long-lasting chew toy can keep them occupied and provide a positive distraction from the commotion. It's all about making sure they feel secure and content. If you absolutely must take them with you to an event, make sure it's dog-friendly and that there's a quiet place they can retreat to if they get overwhelmed. Look for signs that your dog is becoming stressed, such as excessive barking, whining, or trying to escape. If you notice these signs, take them to a quieter area where they can relax. It's also helpful to bring along some of their favorite items like a blanket or toy to provide comfort. Remember, not every dog is a party animal, and that's perfectly okay. Their well-being should always come first. Chapter 5. Exercise is key. We all know that exercise is good for both our physical and mental health, and the same goes for our dogs. A good walk or play session can work wonders for a dog's stress levels. It helps them burn off excess energy, releases endorphins, and just makes them feel good overall. So even if you're short on time during the holidays, make sure your dog is getting their daily dose of exercise. Calming aids can be a lifesaver. Sometimes, even with our best efforts, our dogs need a little extra help staying calm. That's where calming aids can come in handy. There are a variety of options available, from pheromone diffusers to calming treats to even CBD oil for dogs. Talk to your veterinarian about which option might be right for your furry friend. Chapter 7. When in doubt, seek professional help. If your dog's anxiety is severe, or if you're just not sure how to help them, please don't hesitate to reach out to a professional. A veterinarian or certified dog trainer can assess your dog's individual needs and recommend a course of action. Remember, there's no shame in asking for help. Your dog's well-being is worth it. Happy holidays, happy dog. The holidays should be a time for joy for both you and your furry family members. By following these tips, you can help your dog navigate the season with confidence and ease. Remember, a calm and balanced dog makes for a happy holiday for everyone. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.